With many dark websites shutting down due to law enforcement action, new ones have quickly sprung up to keep the underground economy alive and the money moving. Today, we're exploring 20 dark websites where people are still making money, showcasing what do they have to offer. This is for educational purposes only. We don't endorse these activities. Stay tuned to find out. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Tor Shops. Tor Shops is the website builder for dark web. Create your own onion web store with it, and it even comes with Bitcoin integration. From as low as $100 in setup fees, you can have your own web store on the dark web. Just pay a fraction of your income from the store. Via Tor Shops you can set up an e-commerce site, a library full with content of your choice, a news outlet, or even your own dark web marketplace. Number 2. Dream Market. Now you have a way to sign up for things via anonymous email, and do transactions via Bitcoin, and browse Dreams Market goods. This is one of the smaller onion marketplaces, and that's probably why they are still in operation. As the FBI has been conducting sweeps across the dark web to stamp out illegal trade, many famous marketplaces have gone under. Number 3. DuckDuckGo. The internet's favorite alternative to Google made a name for itself by not logging your search activity, yet still providing decent results. This focus on privacy makes it the Tor browser's default search engine, and one of the best onion search engines. It's mainly used to search the internet from the privacy of your Tor browser, adding an extra layer of protection to your online businesses. Number 4. DARKWEB. DARKWEB contains articles about everything related to the dark web. Articles are published regularly, and they contain interesting info. In addition, DARKWEB has a list of dark web vendors, which is very convenient as it offers detailed information about each vendor, including onion addresses and frequently asked questions. You can use the list to avoid shady or illegal marketplaces. The site also has a list of resources for people interested in cryptocurrencies, and a list of forums where each site comes with a description. Number 5. Onion Wallet. Bitcoin's payment is hard to track, but it's not 100% anonymous. The technology only provides pseudonymity, which means as long as no one knows your Bitcoin addresses, you are anonymous. Onion Wallet helps you break that chain. The dark web service mixes all Bitcoin and makes it impossible to track on the Bitcoin blockchain. Number 6. Escrow Service. If you're looking for a safe way to trade on the internet, have no fear. There are options for you, much like the way a lawyer can hold funds in escrow, so does an escrow service. It even deals in Bitcoin, so that everything is anonymous. You can inspect the shipped items before releasing your funds, and they offer a third-party dispute resolution in case the deal sours. Number 7. Legal Cases. This site lets you access public texts of court decisions from around the world. It is useful not only if you're a lawyer or law student, but also if you want to find legal loopholes from country to country, for your online businesses or dark web activity. Legal Cases lets you pick court decisions from plus 10 country categories, including the US, the UK, and Russia. There's also an international category, where you can find cases from tons of other countries like Austria, Romania and Portugal. Number 8. Haystack. Unlike DuckDuckGo, Haystack is an onion search engine that uses a custom dark web crawler and filters out dangerous content. Haystack also offers a premium version that allows advanced search, access to historical content, and email alerts. Number 9. Keybase. It's an identity service that aims to make it easy for you to link the presence of your online identities together in a cryptographic way. You can upload your PGP key or have the site create one for you and use it to link your Twitter profile, GDub, or Bitcoin address together. Keybase also offers extremely user-friendly secure chat and file sharing services through its app. Number 10. Rutor. Another popular Russian forum and marketplace on Tor is Rutor, which has been an active DARKWEB hidden service since 2015, and has quickly established itself as a reliable information resource for Russian hacking, darknet education, and project collaboration. The site's landing page has several distracting advertisements at the top of the site, similar to the popular RAMP marketplace. Number 11. BitMessage. If you're looking for a no-frills email service provider that is exactly the opposite of Gmail, BitMessage is there for you. It's free and doesn't bombard you with ads, and does not track you with Google Analytics or the like. You'll get an email address to use, and in fact you can use this on the open web, as well. Most users come here with the comfort of Tor. To make use of their hidden service, it has many features similar to a lot of other open mail service providers. Number 12. Facebook. It's really strange that the world's largest social media platform would have an onion address, but there you are, Facebook it is. This part of Facebook was supposedly developed by them to cater to those who want a social network that's anonymous. We would take it with a grain of salt, as anonymous and social rarely work together, but the site claims not to keep logs of user activity. Number 13. Torch. If neither DuckDuckGo nor Haystack caught your eye, then Torch is also one of the best dark web search engines. Torch is one of the oldest and most popular onion search engines on the dark web, serving over 80,000 requests per day. Torch is funded primarily through advertising, purchased in Bitcoin of course. Which is why you'll find the front page blanketed with old-school banner ads of dubious origins. Number 14. Too Easy. Too Easy is a quickly growing dark web marketplace, where threat actors buy and sell harvested data from browsers and devices. Which means that any stolen credentials for sale on there are likely to provide valid access to systems, services, or apps. Too Easy admins opted to call the data packages for sale on this market logs. Prices for data on Too Easy are cheaper than other sites. Some logs go for as little as $5. The data for sale on Too Easy comes from over 600,000 compromised devices. Number 15. CIA. The CIA might seem an odd inclusion in a list for privacy enthusiasts, but Tor actually has an unlikely history with the US government. It was first developed by the US Navy to help informants posted in foreign countries to relay information back safely. In that spirit, the CIA launched an onion site to help people around the world access its resources securely. Number 16. Tor Metrics. The dark web is not that easy to use, and seems popular among shady people, but what if we put all that activity into numbers? Tor Metrics is the site that measures who and where uses the network. Surprisingly enough, about 20% of daily users come from Russia. The US is second with 18%, and the data suggests that there is around 1.5 million daily users. It contains more stats that could be helpful if you plan to target specific clients and improve your marketing strategy on the dark web. Number 17. Onion Name. Onion Name lets you buy readable onion domains. Dark web domains are look-like random strings of 16 characters or more. It offers a limited list of verified onion links, including unfiltered news sources, torrent sites, and dark web marketplaces. It basically lets you generate an onion domain name that starts with a specific keyword, which is right at the start of the onion link. With a readable site name like that, people will know what to expect when they click on it. Number 18. Sci-Hub. Currently, the site has a database of over 88 million research documents. Over 80% of its database is research articles. Note that Sci-Hub is illegal in some countries because of copyright restrictions. It contains the largest repositories of scientific papers on the dark web. In other words, it's the dark web's version of Science Direct. Number 19. Hack Rent a Hacker. It takes time to master the fine art of white hat hacking. Still, if you have neither the drive nor the expertise to hack your way into a computer, you can hire a professional hacker from this little website, as it boasts affordable prices, discretion, and professionalism. Prices start from around €250 for small-time hacking like email or Facebook accounts, and goes up depending on the service you want. Number 20. Mega. It has a many vendors selling digital goods such as databases, carding, counterfeit-related products, and ready-to-use hacking software. Mega features a hidden service layout very similar to RAMP, with over 200 links to unique vendor shops from the landing page.